Hi, I encountered an issue a few days ago with animation rigging. Every time I tried to change the weight of the animation through a script, it would revert to the default value set in the editor. What I'm trying to do is rotate my character's spine to face a target. The funny thing is, if we adjust the slider manually, everything works fine without any issues. However, if we call a function in our script to change the rig's weight, it doesn't work and just reset to the default value. To fix this, you need to set the rig weight value in the late update or fixed update method, and also get the rig builder and call the build function. This approach will resolve the issue, but keep in mind that this method will run every frame. If you want to transition between two rig weights values, use an IEnumerator as shown in the example, and call it once to set the value as needed. So that's it. The key is to put your code in late update and you are good to go.